We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top here, we replaced the brass nipple here first. Sorry about the bump there, burned my arm there. We had it all put together in this with the original pipe here, the galvanized pipe. It was bleeding through right here. So we just shut everything down, pulled the valve off, put a new brass nipple in, put the ground clamp back on, and now you can see brass, all the way over to a Falcon stainless steel connector down to the cold side of the tank. We replaced the hot nipple as well. It was pretty corroded, and so brass here, and then Falcon stainless steel down to the tank. A couple adjustable 90s up to your existing, that's your sealing bucket up there in the ceiling already. A couple adjustable 90s down to the draft diverter. Temperature and pressure relief valve right here over to a Falcon stainless steel connector. You need a union here. Well, it doesn't matter if you want to go copper, galvanized, whatever. We just use a supply line over there. And the relief line was pointing down to the garage floor. House was built back in the early 90s, so it was not code. So we just gave you some 3/4 inch CPVC. Went down the wall and of course dropped down. And it's poked out of the wall about 3 inches on the other side into a rock flower bed there. So that's good. We give you a adjustable strap on the upper third, adjustable strap on the lower third. We did give you a new T here with a dirt leg, and that, in theory, if the gas is dirty, it fills up right there and you don't get it into your equipment over here. And so hopefully the city appreciates that. Brand new shutoff valve, brand new gas connector, and it's nice they've already got a metal cap over this standout here. And so that's good. Right now the water heater is lit. I'm going to say in between low and hot is probably, I'm going to guess at about between at 105, 110. We're not real sure because we normally set it at 120 and leave. Homeowner requested we leave it here. So we let them know you just use a digital thermometer, get the water. You know, you can either open this up and fill a bucket right here, or you can go in the house and let the water run and use a digital thermometer and test the water temperature. And then you can adjust it, you know, accordingly. For some reason, when we turn it to low, it just shut the burner back off, so I'm not sure what that means. But right now it's heating. Give it about an hour, you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.